Here we go, Trojan, race number 1. We weren't able to do the late model race this weekend. A, my truck broke down, and B, the race ended up getting canceled anyway. So here we are, North Webster, Trojan MX, 125cc first up. This is Cade's first time on Trojan on the 125, so he really liked it during practice. Only got one practice because rain's coming, so they're trying to beat it. So here's Cade drop. Not a bad hole shot for him. That wasn't too bad. So Cade's in first, second, third, fourth. Looks like he's running third. He's really liking this track. I think he's in third or fourth. We could get a little better gate. I think he'd do a lot better. So we'll see. We'll keep practicing here. That's a 4-stroke he's battling right there. This will be lap number 2. That's Matt Goings. He's in second. That'll be Micah. He's in third. Cade's right on his tail. I think he'll be able to get him. We'll see. This will be lap number 3, final lap. Caden was able to get Micah, pulled a really nice triple here in the middle. Got Micah all out of sorts. I think he wasn't expecting it. So it looks like he's trying to come back on Caden just a little bit more. Caden had a pretty good lead on him there for a little bit, but Caden's in third right now, so he's really fast right through this section here. So he'll triple these. That's where he got Micah the last lap. Looks like Cade's going to take third home here for the first race. I'm real happy with that. I'm not sure how many he had there, but it's a decent amount of bikes he had to race, so I'm pretty happy with that. So, all right, we'll go up there and get ready for moto number 2. Cade got a pretty good hole shot that time. Looks like we're in, I think we're in third place right now. Sorry, I had to just run up here. Hard to keep track. So this is Schoolboy 1. So you can race against some 250s in this as well. It's been pretty tight press for time, so I'm not sure what place we're in right now and who's in our race and who's in a different race. So Cade did get a pretty good launch out of the gate. Usually that number 11 Goings quite a bit ahead of us. Cade's keeping up with him pretty good this time. He finally got a good gate, so we'll see how this turns out. This 116, he's quick. Just no denying that. There's Goings. And then we got Caden right here, right behind Goings, so I think he's going to try to give him a run for his money. We'll see if he can catch up with him or not. There we go. I have no idea what place we finished, but we'll go take a look. So both motos, Caden finished third place, and both of them look really good. I'm pretty happy with it. So the front 2 guys, it's going to take some work to catch them, so we'll have to work on it. He's on the gate now, starting his race for the 125cc only. Looks like we're coming out, and it's like really nice. Wow, look at that. Really nice hole shot there. white flag lap. He's going to be in 3rd place. All right. Well, the start of the race was excellent. He came out 2nd place out of the whole shot. He's wearing out too quick though, so he's getting beat at the end of the race. That last 2 laps for him is really rough, so that's a conditioning issue. So we'll get him ready for moto number 4. So he's up in about 2 races, so no time to rest. Here we are, our final moto of the night. So Kate's pretty wore out, but I told him to push through it. So he's been 3rd place all night, so if we can finish out on 3rd, we'll be 3rd overall for the night basically. So we'll see how he does. Here he comes for the final turn of the final lap. So I can tell he's probably a little wore out. Not sure what place we're in. That'll be it for tonight. Alright, we'll rest up, see if we can find some parts for this bike. We lost the lock nut for the rear tire, so the whole axle was coming out. So we'll see if we can drum up some parts. We had to borrow one off someone's spare park, but they're leaving. We had to borrow one off someone's spare bike, but they're leaving tonight. So we'll see if we can find some more and get back to it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Alright, good morning everybody. Day number 2, Sunday. Rained out all night last night. Dumped a ton of rain, but they actually got the track looking pretty good. So here we go. We're up first for the 125cc only. See how Caden does. So that was race 1 of Sunday today, his 125. He fell back. I think he got 5th, something like that. So he's looking pretty tired to me on the bike. So we'll get him ready for race number 5. yesterday, he's able to beat that #1 bike, and he's struggling with him today. It just goes to prove to us that we need to work on some endurance. It's no problem, we'll get on that. Tired? All right, 2 more races to go. You gonna win these both overall? #1. Let's see. All right. So we're all done racing here for the weekend. So busy weekend, especially with all the rain and everything. But he got in the 125cc only. He got 3rd place overall. He got 2 3rd places in both motos. And then in the schoolboy, I think there was some scoring issues. The first race I had him finishing 8th out of like 9. I told him that was wrong. That couldn't have been right. And then the second time he finished like 2nd. So, but I don't know that he finished as good as they said, because then they changed it to that he got 2nd in both times. So I don't know. But I guess we'll say he got 2nd. They went back, looked at the scoring. So hopefully it's right. I don't know if it is, but anyway, either way, pretty good weekend. Got Caden a lot of ride time on his bike. Held together pretty good. So we're off to the next one. Thanks again. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you on the next one.